the range cooker. I don't like this one. And about the sink.
That's the exact features of their preferred property. What about their preferred location?
I would like it to be a bit quieter at night.
Could you? I thought if he's going to miss it, he's going to finish close enough to the cushion again, not to put these two reds in play. That was a very poor effort from Graham. It was very
minutes past 2 in the Washington DC News, and preparations are well underway ahead of Friday's royal wedding. 2,000 guests have been invited to the service, and some royal fans have already set up camp, believe it or not, in front of Westminster Abbey, where princes will time on the court with Catherine Middleton. Well, Tim Wilcox is there for us, watching all the preparations. Him, and they're talking about rain on Friday.
Doctor who?
You know, this isn't nearly as bad as it looks.
At the personal intervention of the king, the unnamed doctor was incarcerated without trial in the Tower of London.
Okay, but it doesn't have to be him.
According to contemporary accounts, 2 nights later, a magical sphere some 20 feet across was seen floating away from the tower, bearing the mysterious doctor aloft.
Okay, it's him.
What? Doctor, what can you see? Is the commandant's office painted a sort of green colour with a big